But I've got plans for some of this chicken, so have no worries. I've got, it should be 10 pieces of chicken. There's 4 breasts. Gonna have those for something. Couple of legs, couple of thighs, and a couple of wings. I've got the standard bucket of oh, stop it, Candy. The standard bucket of original recipe. Got 1 biscuit, because, you know, I got some gravy, because I want to have some gravy with my chicken. Let me put that there. I've got their little plates. And here I've got the KFC famous bowl. Ooh, the gravy's trying to come out of it. But I got it without the corn. I didn't want the corn in it. I want the corn slopping up my potatoes and other good stuff. So that's my mashed potatoes. My mashed potatoes have cheese and gravy and chicken nuggets in it. Alright, I'm going to put the biscuit kind of to the side because I want to start with a piece of this chicken. And I think I'm going to start with a thigh. There's not going to be any crunch on this. I can pretty much guarantee it. Because it's very sloppy and juicy. And, yeah, original recipe is pretty greasy. Mmm. 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 That was a big mouth of bread. Oh my goodness. Mmm. 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 Alrighty. Mmm. KFC. Mmm. Mm-hmm. Right out of the gate. The moans don't stop. Mm-hmm. Mm. Hmm. I'm gonna dip. Oop, I got chicken on my dress. Mm. What now? Oh, I gotta turn my phone silence. Alright, gravy. Mmm. 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 Oh, that's pretty good. That is pretty dang good. Let's do a chicken leg. Mm. Mmm. 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 Wow. Mmm. Mm-hmm. Mm-hmm. Mm. 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 Oh my goodness. Mm. That's good, y'all. Let's get some of these fries. Mmm. Mmm. Wow. I got some KFC sauce. It's not ketchup. It's like they're trying to be cane sauce, but they're not. Still good though. Let's see, I'm gonna go this way. Ooh, it's dripping. Mmm. 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 Oh man. I'm wearing lots of gravy. Mmm. 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 Mm-hmm. That's my fourth piece of chicken. Mm-hmm. It's kind of catching up to me. Mm. 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 Wow. Mm. Oh. KFC. Woo. Oh, excuse me. Keep wiping up the gravy and it keeps falling.